Well, folks, welcome back. Today we are doing some early season trout fishing. We got the Namakagon River right behind us, and we're going to be hopping around today. We might be here for 20 minutes, and we might go to the next part. So basically, what we're doing is we find a culvert or the bridge, which is right over here, and we're like, hey, there's a parking spot. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna fish. We're gonna try it out. I've never been here before. Didn't even know this parking spot was here. Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
We got some little spinners on our rods, and we're gonna hopefully catch some trout. So anything else can bite, but we're targeting trout today, whether it's brown trout, brook trout. That's about it. Yeah. Let's go catch some fish, hopefully. This just looks too good to be true. Let's move to let's go to the next spot.
Okay.
Yep. This is awesome, but it's too awesome. There's no trout in here. We already had a bite or something. All right.
We in some trouty stuff now?
Now we are in some trouty stuff. Basically, just drive along the road until you see a little creek, and if you want to get in the water, you want to walk up towards it. But if you're just going to fish it for a quick little bit, let's just do this end of it, and then if you want to walk up, you can. I want to fish the downspout first, because I think there's going to be a bunch of fish on the downside of it in the current. Try to pitch one up under this log. Ooh, money. You always want to look for that deep current and stuff. See, we should be able to pull a brookie out of here, I was thinking. A little brookie. How about if we went into the slack current over here? Looked good, but nothing's in it.
Went away.
Where's your knot at?
It went away. Ooh, we just scared something off right here.
Fish?
Little minnow or something.
Should be some brookie brooks in here. Always walk up the current if you're gonna get in and walk. You can do some down stuff, but that kicks up a lot of dust to them fish.
Bench. Ooh, fish!
You got one?
Yep. Little brookie!
Yeah.
Nice! Oh, real.
Little brookie, it's fine.
Did a barrel roll in there.
Of course, I cut my lure off and I'm all over the place here.
It's all good.
Awesome, hon. You got
I
a little
know.
brookie.
He just came unhooked.
He just came unrolled.
Yep.
All right,
Look at that tiny little guy.
here you go.
Yay.
want a
Oh, look
picture?
at the spots on him.
Want a
No,
picture of him?
I'm good. I'll just do a nice, beautiful release.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, beautiful fishy. Oh my goodness. Beautiful
going.
brookie, first one of the day.
Little brookie. Cool.
Woo!
Nice. Yeah, we had to walk up the river a little bit there.
Yeah, I told you. I was like, let's just keep going a little bit. Awesome. Let's do it again.
Nice job. My turn. Okay, brookies.
You
are
bet.
here. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, that's right where it came from.
Ooh, yup. I had one. Me. Come on, is he still following it? Nope.
Yeah, brookies.
Got one.
Yeah, nice job, honey.
Well, you just called it in to me.
I did. Better one. Going crazy. Little
Look
chunker.
at that. That's a good one.
Yeah, it is. Way to go, honey.
Thanks for calling him in.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Brookies, and then bang, there he was.
That is
Oh
a
my gosh.
chunker.
It is. All right. Hands a little wet. Ready?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Here we go. And he's unhooked. Healthy. All right. This guy's going back. Little brookie. Actually, that's a really nice brookie for northern Wisconsin there. See you later, brookie. Laying down right there. Right for your boot. Bye-bye,
Oh,
buddy.
yeah.
Cool. Two brookies. Yep.
I just got nibbled. Ah, I got a fish.
Oh, you got one.
Got one.
Oh, it's a big one.
Is it? Where did it go? There it is. Right there. Come on, buddy. Get in. Struggle bus.
That's a good one, honey.
That's why my clippers
That
were.
is a good one.
Oh, it's still. That is a good one.
Nice.
This.
All
They
right.
get really jumbled in this net. That's a good one.
Let's get them unjambled for you.
Oh, gorgeous, Brookie. This is so fun. Hopefully you don't break them.
It's awesome. Heading back to the brook.
Yep. Yeah, I knew that was gonna be one too. I like threw it right up there and it came right down the center and I got bit once and I got bit again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're like, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
He's in there.
Mm-hmm.
You pulled him out.
Yep.
Nice job.
Thanks, babes.
Nice job. That's 3 right in this little stretch.
Yep.
I want to sneak one out of here too.
You see what I'm
Yeah,
go
it
for
narrows
it.
up. The current comes up a little tighter
Mhm.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
Snuck him right out of there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, let's go back. That was cool.
Yeah, that was sweet.
Hit the next little culvert. I either had a hit or had a one over. Oh, right here. Boom! Oh, did you see it?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Another brookie was just racing it.
Is this flashing red?
No, it's not.
The camera?
Nope.
Why? I thought it was
Oh,
on.
big one, big one, big one. Got him. Nice.
I didn't get any of that then.
What? Oh, my net was upside down. Come back, buddy. Yay, I got a brookie now. Unreal. Okay.
There we
All right,
go.
I'm gonna let him go real
Yep.
quick. Head camera, you look at that. That's like a 13-incher. Whoa, whoa.
There we go.
Step back, I can hit him.
Whoa.
Brown.
Nice.
Nice brown.
Yeah, I went to go slow down just a little bit.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that was the ticket. Just a little touch slower.
Mm-hmm.
And just in a second, he is unhooked.
Yay. What are you talking about, his tail?
Yeah, so he's got a little whir going on right
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Yeah, you'd be able to tell if you've caught him before.
Yeah, he does have a little weirdness.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, buddy.
A little brown. See you later, bud.
Nice. Another one.
Another one?
Yep.
Dang, back to back. Woo, he's jumping.
Feisty little guy.
Got him. Little brookie.
Oh, we're a little brown.
Tiny brown.
Tiny, beautiful brown.
Buddy. This one's got super cool colors.
Yeah, I see that.
Super cool.
Man, they do that gator roll. And
See you later. Yeah, look at that prettiness.
mm-hmm.
See you later, buddy.
It went right down to my legs. There we go.
Yeah?
Yep.
Big?
Yeah, decent one. Decent one. Come on, buddy. Got him. Get him. Thanks for playing, buddy.
Another one. Cool.
Love it. This is like heavenly down here.
Got one.
Nice. Yeah, that looks big. You got it?
Yeah, it's fucking good. Oh, babe. Keep your head out real quick to see if you can't strike it in. Big drill. Thank you.
Tank Brook, babe. Tank Brook.
Oh my goodness.
Way to go.
Buddy. Oh my gosh. On the Phoebe spoon. All right, buddy. You've definitely been caught before, but that is a beautiful brookie. He's beat up a little bit.
Tank Brook, babe.
See you later, buddy. On the Phoebe spoon. Look at that.
Right off my head.
Well, my chest camera just died, so we pulled off the head camera off Sydney. We are catching fish. We're basically just walk up creek, and you never know what you're gonna find. We found this like kind of this pool with a spillway, and this is like the third spot that we found like this, where we just get off the side of the road, walk up a creek, and you have this beautiful fishing spot right here. It's just awesome. But we're gonna keep fishing, and I just got a really nice brookie. And yeah, my camera died, and we're gonna keep fishing for a little bit yet.
Yeah.
Well, folks, we're gonna call it a day. It was an awesome day of culvert hopping. We popped around on the Namakagon River for a little bit, and then we hit all the little streams that are really close to that. Literally just drive down the road, find a culvert, and walk upstream if you're gonna get in the water. Otherwise, the down spills of them have really nice back eddies, and you can fish them right there. But today we had some Panther Martins, and also we did use that little Phoebe spoon there for a little bit. You had on a Mep spinner with a little squirrel tail on it, so pretty standard issue there. Trying out these new Cade rods. This one here is the 6.9 Mag Light Fast. Now this rod here, it's got a super fast tip, but then it doesn't load up right away. It's kind of nice backbone. It makes it really nice for these trout in here. And I thought just holding on to the rod, it was a little too light, but man, it is just perfect for in here. It's not quite an ultralight. It's a little bit heavier, and it's not quite like a medium. It's just right in between. I really like this rod, and the rod itself weighs like 3 something ounces. It's super featherweight. Also along with the PC Fun, this is a Carbon X2 2000. Guys, if you're looking for reels, get on PCFun.com. Use my discount code WF15. They always have sales going on, so you can pick these reels up for pretty cheap, and they are a really nice reel. But with all that being said, hope you guys can get out in the trout streams, catch some trout. Hope you learned something. And like always, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, loved it if you hit the subscribe button. And like always, see you next time.